Then we will see reflexive pronouns. These pronouns end with self or selves. For example, myself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, itself, ourselves. There are three types of reflexive pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. Myself is the reflexive pronoun of first person singular I and me. Ourself is the first person, ourself is the reflexive pronoun of first person plural we and us. Yourself is the reflexive pronoun of second person singular you. Yourself is the reflexive pronoun of second person plural you. Himself, herself, and itself are the reflexive pronoun of third person he, she, and it. Themselves is the reflexive pronoun of third person plural they and them. Let us see the activity. Write the following words in the appropriate place to complete the following tables: itself, herself, myself, yourselves, ourselves, yourself, himself, and themselves. You have to use this reflexive pronoun in these two boxes. Students, it is very easy activity. You may solve yourself this activity. Let us see the details about reflexive pronoun. For example, the boy kicked himself the ball. In the above sentence, himself is a reflexive pronoun that reflects on the subject boy. The subject and the object of the above sentence are same persons. The object himself reflects back on the subject. Second sentence, I hurt myself while running on the road. In the above sentence, myself reflects on the subject I. The action of the subject reflects upon the doer. Now we will see how do reflexive pronoun work. They are used when subject and the object of the sentence are same person. They reflect back on the subject. Reflexive pronouns are used to express that someone is doing something on his, her, or own. The position of the reflexive pronoun is immediately after the verb. They are used as object of the verb. Let us see the activity. Choose correct reflexive pronoun from the bracket to fill in the blanks. First example, I believe dash dash. We have to choose either one, myself or himself. Here, I believe myself. Myself is reflexive pronoun. She enjoyed dash dash in the party. She enjoyed herself in the party. We can choose herself here. In this way, you read all the sentences and complete this activity. In this slide also there are 5 sentences. You choose correct reflexive pronoun and complete them. 7th, emphatic pronoun. They are used to emphasize a noun or pronoun. They are the same 8 words as reflexive pronoun, but their functions are different. Myself, himself, herself, themselves, itself, yourself, yourselves, ourselves. For example, I myself made a kite. In the above sentence, myself emphasizes the subject I. Myself emphasizes the subject I. In the second sentence, Radha herself cut the vegetables. In this sentence, herself emphasizes the subject Radha. Let us see some more examples to make it clear. He himself wrote this poem. In this sentence, himself emphasizes he. I myself like to take a walk after a dinner. In this sentence also, myself emphasizes the subject I. Third sentence, he himself completed his homework. Fourth sentence, she herself approved the proposal. Next sentence, he himself is responsible for his failure. And last sentence, did you yourself make a kite? In this sentence also, yourself emphasizes the subject you. Now we will see the exercise of emphatic pronoun. Choose the correct emphatic pronoun from the bracket and complete the sentence. First sentence, he built a garden by himself. Second, I myself helped him. She will do it herself. I heard the news myself. The cat opened the door itself. The last pronoun, indefinite pronouns. They don't point to particular nouns. Somebody, anybody, anyone, nobody, everyone, everybody, everything, few, all, some, anything, etc. For example, somebody ate my sandwich. Here, nobody knows who ate sandwich. That's why somebody is indefinite pronoun. Everyone says he is a clever. Here, everyone is indefinite pronoun. I don't have any money. Can you lend me some? Here, some is indefinite pronoun. Does anyone knows what's happening here? Anyone is indefinite pronoun. Is there anything that I can do? Here, anything is also indefinite pronoun. In the above sentences, all the bold words are indefinite pronouns. Then we will see the exercise. Choose the correct indefinite pronouns from the bracket to fill in the blanks of the following sentences. First, dash dash enjoys a good movie. In bracket, anybody and everybody is given. We can use everybody enjoys a good movie. Second sentence, does dash dash have the time? We can use does anybody have the time? Third sentence, dash dash knows the reason why he is sad. In this sentence, we can use nobody knows the reason why he is sad. Next sentence, the secret was known by dash dash. We can use the secret was known by few. And last sentence, surely you will recognize somebody. Here we can use somebody as indefinite pronoun. Students, we have learned 8 types of pronouns. With the help of explanation given before, we have to solve this activity. Find the error and correct the following sentences using correct pronouns. The pronouns given in the bracket are his, it, her, these, those, that, etc. The first sentence is given for you. Seema is my sister. His favorite color is pink. Answer. Seema is my sister. Her favorite color is pink. Here her is used instead of his. Now see the first sentence. I like my school. He is very old school. In this sentence, I like my school, we can use it instead of he. It is very good school. In this way, you read all the sentences and complete this activity. Let us revise what we have learnt in this lesson. First, what is pronoun? Then how many types of pronouns are there in English? Which are they? Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Students, you might have liked this video. You watch this video again and again. You may pause this video and solve the activities. Thank you.